CryptDS Personal Version 2 is a new and improved desktop file encryption application developed by Driven Solutions. CryptDS Personal Version 2 lets you export or import encrypted files to and from your Android device. CryptDS Personal Version 2 is based on the Java programming language and runs on any platform that runs Java 6. When you first install CryptDS Personal Version 2, you will be required to create a login. The login can later be used to encrypt or decrypt files if you so choose. To encrypt a file or a group of files, simply select the files and choose Encrypt from the menu. Select either desktop platform or Android platform from the drop-down selector. Select either the stored login password or use a new password for added security and press the Encrypt button. Once encrypted, the encrypted file is displayed with a key symbol to indicate that it is encrypted. Decrypting a file is just as easy. Files encrypted in the Android format are displayed with the standard key symbol and the word Android beside the key symbol. To encrypt or decrypt files for your Android device, you can either connect to your Android device directly and access the desired files, or you can copy files between your desktop system and your Android device. To decrypt or encrypt files directly on your Android device, use either CryptDS or CryptDS Pro for Android. Both are available in the Android market. So don't delay, download CryptDS Personal Version 2 and get started securing your files.